Okay, so our topic for today is all about intercepts, asymptotes, and graphs of rational functions. Let us now try to have an example. So, f of x is equal to 6x plus, halimbawa, gawin natin 6x plus 12, okay, all over x plus 8. Ayan. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to get is the x-intercept. X-intercept. Paano ba kunin ang x-intercept? Makinig. So, whatever value daw ng numerator natin, so numerator, equate lang daw natin sa 0. Okay? Lagay lang daw natin ng is equal to 0. So, dito, ang numerator natin, which is 6x plus 12. Ayan. Equate lang daw sa 0. Then, let us now try to find the value of x. Solve na natin, algebra. So, 6x is equal to transpose, magiging negative 12. Okay? Divide natin by 6, yung coefficient daw ng x. Okay? So, we have x is equal to negative 12 divided by 6. Ang sagot ay negative 2. Ayan. So, ang x-intercept natin, ilagay natin sa coordinate. So, x ang hinahanap. Ito ang x at y. So, ibig sabihin, ang y natin, laging 0. Sir, lagi po bang 0 yon? Yes, laging 0. At yung nakuha mong value ng x, yung ilalagay mo dito. Negative 2, 0. That is the x-intercept. Okay. Next, y-intercept. Okay. So, kung kanina, meron tayong 6x plus 12 all over x plus 8, ganito naman ang gagawin. Yung f of x, palitan mo lang ng y yan. Okay? Then, yung given, lahat ng nakikita mong x, palitan mo lang ng 0. So, 6x, so ibig sabihin, 6 times 0 plus 12 divided by x daw, palitan ng 0 plus 8. Then, isolve natin yan. So, 6 times 0, ang sagot dyan ay 0. So, meron lang tayong 12 sa taas in the numerator. At meron tayong 0 plus 8, which is 8. Lowest term lang natin yan. 12 over 8 is divisible by 4. So, divide natin. So, 3 over 2. Okay? Or 1 and 1 half. Pwede mo siyang isulat ng 1 and 1 half. Okay? So, coordinates. Ulitin ko, in a coordinate, the first element is the x. The second element is the y. Okay. Ang hinahanap daw kanina ay y-intercept. So, ang x natin, laging 0. Sir, lagi bang 0 ang x-intercept kapag y-intercept ang ang hinahanap? Yes! So, the value of y that we got, 3 over 2 or 1 and 1 half. So, ilagay ko na lang yung 1 and 1 half. Any of the two pwede mong ilagay. Okay? So, i-graph ngayon natin. Gawa tayo ng graph. Ayan. Hanapin daw natin yung negative 2, 0. So, negative 1, negative 2, 0. Ayan. Dadaan daw dyan yung graph. Tapos, ito naman daw yung 0 at 1 half. Okay? 0, 1 half. So, kung 1 yun dito, kalahati yan dito lang yan. Ayan. Okay, ngayon, kukunin daw natin yung mga tinatawag na asymptotes. Okay? So, una natin kunin yung tinatawag na VA, vertical asymptotes. Dito ko siya ilagay. VA, vertical asymptotes. Sa pagkuha ng vertical asymptotes, kukunin mo lang yung denominator. Whatever value of the denominator, sulat natin, then, denominator is equal to 0. So, para lang siya yung isa, yung number 1, yung pagkuha ng x-intercept. So, the denominator here is x plus 8. So, x plus 8, let us equate it to 0. Ayan, in-equate natin sa 0. Then, getting the value of x. So, x is equal to negative 8. Ayan, negative 8. Hanapin mo si negative 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kunyari ito. Ayan. Magdodrawing ka lang ng broken line. Patayo pag sabing x-intercept. When we say asymptotes, these are the lines that the graph is going through or going to, but it will never touch. Yung mga graph daw, papunta daw dito, pero hindi daw tatama. Okay? Ngayon, paano pagkuha ng tinatawag na horizontal asymptote? Okay, ito, horizontal asymptote. Okay. Pero may rule ang pagkuha ng horizontal asymptote. Titingnan daw natin yung exponent ng leading coefficient. Yung leading coefficient, sila yung degree na pinakamataas. Okay? Katulad nito, 6x, ang pinakamataas sa numerator, x naman sa denominator. Ito yung rule. Okay? Kapag daw yung n, yung numerator daw, okay, is equal daw muna. Equal muna daw doon sa exponent ng denominator. So, ang horizontal asymptote natin, which is yung leading coefficient, okay, leading coefficient ng numerator, divided by leading coefficient ng denominator. Okay? Tapos, ngayon, kapag naman daw yung numerator daw natin na exponent ay mas maliit doon daw sa exponent ng denominator natin, okay, ang y natin, wala na tayong sosolven. Equal 0 lagi. Okay? Siguro naguguluhan pa, no? Mamaya ko explain niya. Magbibigay pa ako ng ibang example. At if ever naman ang n natin, yung numerator na exponent daw ay greater than the exponent of the denominator, yung leading coefficient tayo, okay, ibig sabihin, wala daw itong horizontal asymptote. Meron daw itong slant asymptote daw meron ito. Pag sabing slant, nakatagilid. Okay? How to get the slant asymptote? Dividing the numerator over the denominator. Okay? So, we will be getting a line there and disregarding the remainder. If ever may remainder, huwag mo nang pakailaman ng remainder. Okay. Ngayon, puntahan natin itong given. Ang exponent ng leading coefficient ay 1. Ang exponent ng leading coefficient ay 1. So, saan siya nagfo-fall? Dito ba sa una? Yes. N is equal to D. So, ibig sabihin daw, yung leading coefficient daw, 1. Leading coefficient daw nung X. Hanapin daw natin ang leading coefficient which is 6. Ayan. Over the leading coefficient daw ng B. Nung X sa baba, ano leading coefficient? Walang number, so automatic 1. So, ang Y natin, sulat natin dito, which is equal to 6. Okay? So, drawing tayo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kunyari, ito 6 na to. Ito, 6 daw to kunyari. Okay. So, drawing ka ng broken line. Yan. Ayan, broken line daw. Okay. Tapos, since dadaan daw dito at dadaan daw dito, pwede ka mag-drawing ng papaganon. Ayan. So, that will be the graph. Okay? Nasusundan. Okay, nagigets ha? Okay, sana naiintindihan ha? Okay, then I will be giving another example. Kuha pa tayo ng isa pang example. Okay. Erase tayo. For example, this is, hanap tayo ng mas madali. F of x. Okay, kunyari ito ang given natin. 9x squared minus 6x. Dalian lang natin, wag yan. Medyo mahirap yan eh. Mahirapan kayo dyan. Okay, kunyari ito na lang. X squared or x over x squared minus 4. Ito na lang muna. Mas madali ito. Ayan. Okay, x-intercept. Let us get. Numerator daw, which is x, is equal to 0. Ayan. So, meaning, the value of x, lagay natin sa coordinates. X ang hinahanap natin, nakuha na natin which is 0. Ang y natin, laging 0. Okay. Next is y-intercept. Let's make the f of x is equal to y. Then, lahat daw ng x gawing 0. So, 0 over 0 squared minus 4. Okay. Pag sinolve natin yan, you can use calculator. The answer is 0. So, ang y-intercept natin ay 0 at ang x natin laging 0. Ayan. Ito na tayo. Vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote. Yung denominator daw natin na x squared minus 4, equate natin sa 0. Okay. So, factor natin yan. Or pwede natin gamitan ng transposition. Tapos, let us get the root since that is a square root. Okay. So, the value of x is equal to yung isa, positive 2 at yung isa, negative 2. Okay. How am I going to write that? So, Lagay natin x positive 2. O, i-drawing na lang natin mamaya. Drawing natin dito. Let us try to draw. Okay. So, ang x-intercept dito, on the origin. At ang y-intercept natin, same, in the origin. Then, vertical asymptote, positive 2. So, 1, 2. Let us put a broken line. Ayan, line. And the next one is negative 2. 1, 2. Let's put a broken line. Ayan. Okay. Let us now try to get the, what we call the horizontal asymptote. Ayan. Okay. Tingnan natin ang exponent ng leading coefficient. 1. Ang leading coefficient naman dito sa denominator, 2. Ay, mas malaki yung nasa denominator. Okay, ano agreement natin if the denominator is greater? So, pag ang denominator ay greater than, we have y is equal to 0. Palagi, di ba? Okay, y is equal to 0. So, ito yon dito rin sa origin. Ito na yung broken line natin. Ayan. Okay. So, we will now try to draw the graph. Since ang horizontal asymptote natin ito, it lies in what quadrant? 1 and 3. So, it goes like this. Charan. Charan. Then, at the middle, since dadaan daw siya dapat dito, we have like this one. Okay, naintindihan. Nagigets ba? Okay, now, hanapin natin yung isa. Isang given pa. Okay, kuha pa tayo ng isa pang given. For example, f of x is equal to negative x plus 1. Ayan. Then, the other one, which is x minus 5 all over x minus 3. Okay, x-intercept. Sa pagkuha ng x-intercept, sabi daw, numerator equals 0. So, we have negative x plus 1 equals 0. At yung isa, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So, getting the value of x dito sa first factor natin. So, x is equal to 1. At dito naman, x is equal to 5. Okay. Let us now get the coordinates. Since x ay 1, ang y natin, laging 0. Since ang x natin nakuha ay 5, ang y natin, laging 0. Ayan. O, sige, drawing na nga natin sa graph yan. Okay. 1, 0. Ayan yung 1, 0. 5, 0. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Dadaan daw dyan. Dadaan daw dyan yung graph mamaya. Okay, abangan natin. Okay. So, 1, 0 at doon sa 5, 0. Kunin daw natin yung y-intercept. Getting the y-intercept. So, ang gagawin daw natin, f of x will become y is equal to lahat daw ng x gawing 0. So, 0 plus 1 times the quantity 0 minus 5. Okay. All over 0 minus 3. So, simplifying the numerator, that will become negative 5 over negative 3. Okay. So, negative divided by negative, which is positive. So, 5 over 3. Okay. So, that can be written as 1 and 1/3. Tama ba? Okay. 1 and 2/3, I mean. Okay. 1 and 2/3. 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5. Okay, correct. Next. So, we can write it like this one. So, since ang value daw ng y-intercept, 1 and 1/3, sulat natin. 1 and 2/3 pala. Aba yan, namali ako ng sabi. Okay, 1 and 2/3. Then, ang x natin, which is 0. Okay, y-intercept daw yan. Okay, hanapin daw natin yung y-intercept. Okay. So, 1 and 2/3, saan ka nakalagay? So, kung 1 ito, kung ito, dito yan, sa 1 and 2/3, banda dito. Yan. Okay. Kunin daw natin yung mga intercept. Ay, yung mga asymptotes naman. So, we have the vertical and horizontal. So, una natin kunin yung VA, vertical asymptote. Okay. Ang vertical asymptote daw, denominator, which is x minus 3. Equate daw natin sa 0. So, we have the value of x, which is equal to 3. Okay? So, x is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, drawing tayo dito. Pack ng broken line. Okay. So, horizontal asymptote. To get the horizontal asymptote, let us now try to check the degree. Simplify natin yung numerator. Negative x times x is x squared yan. Sulat natin dito, x squared. Tapos, x lang yung baba. So, yung denominator natin, mas maliit naman kaysa numerator. Okay? Oh, mas malaki na yung denominator, ano? Ay, mas malaki na yung numerator. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong slant asymptote. Slanted daw yung asymptote natin. Okay. How to get the slant asymptote? So, yung numerator, i-simplify natin yan. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator since kung may scientific ka, negative x squared plus 6x minus 5, then divided by x minus 3. Kukunin mo lang yung sagot dyan. So, the quotient will be negative x plus 3. Igagraph mo ngayon yan. Okay? Yung negative x plus 3 yan. Okay? So, sana naintindihan na. I-disregard mo lang naman yung ano niya, yung remainder niya if ever. Okay. So, that will be like this one. Pak. Yan ang slump asymptote niya. Tapos, ang magiging graph, yan, tatama daw dito on that point. And the other one, which is like this. Yun. So, those are the graph. Okay.